Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how I am adding subtitles on my videos, because many of you were asking me that Rahul, how you are adding subtitles on your video, just tell me. So they were asking me, so in this video I am going to show you the exact way, tutorial video. Without a wasting of time, let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Rahul. I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. If you are new here, watch this video till the end. If you find this video likable and valuable for you, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned. Okay, so now I am going to show you. This is my iPhone. You can same type, same in the same way you can do with your Android phone. In your Android phone, you have to download Capcut from Chrome browser. You can easily download, and then you can download Turbo VPN, any other VPN from Play Store. And then when you download two applications, Capcut and VPN, and then turn on your mobile data, then turn on VPN, and after that you have to go in your Capcut. Now I'm show you exact thing in my iPhone, because I'm editing edit my videos in iPhone usually. So this is the thing. So I'll show you everything on screen. So this is my Turbo VPN. So first I have to on Turbo VPN, and then I will show you how I am adding subtitles. And you can also customize subtitles. Lot of people adding subtitles, but they are not customized. You can easily customize whatever you want to. So then open Capcut, new project, select your video where you want to add subtitles. Here's the thing that you have to remember, you have to recognize, you have to know in your mind that first, when you add your clip, just go to extract audio, find here extract audio. When you extract audio, then click the audio and reduce noise. Here I am going to, this is also important. When you reduce your noise, then you can easily go for captions. You easily find captions icon. So when you tip captions, and then you can select any templates. Here's the templates. So first I show you this. When you select this and then generate, and after a few seconds or few minutes, if your video would be long, that time it would take time. But my video is not so long, it's just 12 seconds, so it can easily brings us. So here's the thing, everything. Hello everyone, hello everybody, this is video where I am going to, so this is my subtitles. And now how I am doing, tip to select your select your subtitles, tip style, and go for font. What I am using, I'll show you my font, then you are watching here. Then select what is the sequel, ऐसे करके कुछ था, sequel, S. This is sequel, SEQUEL, sequel. Just select. After when you select, go to animation and select zoom in, and what is this? Hello everybody, this is mine. Okay, and after this, go to style, go to background, select first background, and then select color black, and then opacity, reduce opacity something, and corner radius the corners. Okay, as of your height is 0, turn height 0. And here's the thing, you can easily somewhere. And here's the thing. Okay, hello everybody, this is, now you can see same as
I am going to
my
add
subtitles
in this
okay
video.
somewhere over subtitles, because I am not pronouncing my words very properly, very fluently, so somewhere my subtitles gone wrong, so I have to edit my subtitles. So click the select the subtitle, click edit sub captions, and you can easily change your words in your subtitle. So this is the way you can also customize your subtitles whatever you want to customize. Okay, so I think this is enough. This is very short video, but I think this is good. So in this way you can easily, and then you can select 60 fps and then export. Easily you can export this video. And all the things I'm also doing some other things, like I'm edit my videos or whatever, but this video is just for about captions. So the thing you have to understand is, first you have to, when you add your clip, then extract that clip's audio, and then you have to go on captions. You can easily guys add captions. It's not a big deal, but use VPN and use Capcut for it. Okay, this is my thing, and if you are watching till now, this means a lot guys. And I know that you are watching my videos for a long time. If you are watching my videos and not subscribed yet, then subscribe please. And this is Mondays, that's why I'm making videos about my YouTube. So every Monday I'm here sharing my YouTube journey with you. I am half of the way where I am going to monetize. So just watch my videos till the end. If you find likable and valuable for you, then hit the like button also, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much. This is the thing that I am going to show. I wanted to show today's video. Okay, if you want to talk to me on a call, if you have any kind of doubts, questions and suggestions for me, you can easily ask me in the comment box and tell me in the comment box. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.